Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can convert any coin to USDT on MEXC. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course ensure that you're using the right website and the official one. And once you're here, you will just have to click login and of course you will enter your correct credentials so that you will be able to successfully log in. And once you've logged into your Maxi, you will be redirected to the dashboard, and on your dashboard you will look for the trade section or trade tab. It really depends on the layout of your version, and once you see the trade section, you will just have to click it and then click convert, and then you will select the coin that you currently hold, and then you will just have to select USDT as the coin to receive and enter the amount to convert, preview the rate and fees, and then you will just have to click preview and then confirm. The converted USDT will appear in your Maxi wallet instantly. And by the way, you should also double check all the details before confirming, and the convert feature is really fast, safe, and ideal for beginners. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.